Does Wix do email hosting? Yes, Wix offers email hosting through its Wix Business Email service, but it's not directly hosted by Wix itself. Instead, Wix partners with third-party providers like Google Workspace and Microsoft Exchange to provide professional email accounts. These services allow you to create custom email addresses using your domain name, which can help build credibility for your business or brand. Wix Business Email includes features like a custom inbox, calendar, and productivity tools, depending on the provider you choose. Pricing starts at $6 per month per mailbox for Google Workspace and $4 per month per mailbox for Microsoft Exchange. However, it's important to note that Wix does not offer free email hosting. If you're looking for a free option, you'd need to explore third-party providers like Zoho Mail's free plan or Gmail with your custom domain. If this video helped clarify Wix's email hosting options, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.